Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making some candied peanuts, but I'm gonna add some coconut because I like the way it tastes with peanuts, chocolate, and coconut, like a Mounds bar. So I'm gonna add the coconut. You don't have to add it. You can just make it peanuts and chocolate if you want. So I'm gonna use 16 ounces of peanuts. These are dry roasted. You can use any kind. You can use salted, unsalted, it doesn't matter. 16 ounces, you're gonna need 2. And then I'm using some chocolate chips. Okay, these are 12 ounces, and I have one that is semi-sweet and one that is milk chocolate. And then this right here is candy coating, but I'm using the chocolate. A lot of recipes will have almond bark, which is white, and you can really use any combination. So this is what I'm using. But I'm also using the coconut because I like the way it tastes. So I'll show you how I'm going to do that. I'm just going to sprinkle it on top. So first we're going to start off with a crock pot. We're going to do this in a crock pot, super easy. So I'm just going to add these into a crock pot. So I'm just going to add both of my canisters of peanuts. Next, I'm going to add my chocolate chips. Both bags. And this is my chocolate candy coating. I have this on low and I'm going to cover it. It might take about an hour to an hour and a half. I'm going to check it in about 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. I'm just going to check it. This is my spoon, and I sprayed it with a nonstick cooking spray just because this is really gooey. So it is melting. It's starting to melt. Okay, but it's nowhere near done. So, okay, just going to move it around a little bit. I'm going to cover it and come back in another 20 minutes. So here we are, every 20 minutes, I'm moving it around until all the chocolate is gone. See, there's still a chunk right here of chocolate, but it's going to be coated well. And I'm just going to cover it up and let it continue. So it took me exactly 1 hour to cook all my candy and my peanuts together so that they were all melted beautifully. That's how long it took me, 1 hour. So now I have a muffin pan. I lined everything with cupcake liners. I have a cookie scooper, and that is what I'm using to just drop my candy in each liner. Then I just added some coconut, and this came out really, really good. Now, I made candy with coconut and without coconut, so you can do it either way. So these came out really, really good. And they were very easy. So you just pop these in the refrigerator for 30 minutes until they completely chill and harden. So right here, this is the other way I made them. I have the cookie sheet and I lined it with parchment paper and I just dropped them all in. See, and look at this. This is what you end up with, a beautiful candy, nice and thick. So here are my candies. And this is the one with the coconut on top. So what I did was I put 2 of these in a little plastic bag like this, see? And then I'm just gonna give them away as a gift. Now what I did was I found these little white bags and I found these little stickers right here. And I put stickers on them so they can look pretty. Then I added a little bowl, and this is gonna be a very nice little gift that I can give to my friends around the holidays. How cute is that? And it doesn't even need the bowl because the bag is so cute with the stickers. So these candies, very easy to make, real cute little gift that you can give, personalized little gift. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.